Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm just going to answer a question that was asked on a previous video. I think I've touched on this, but I feel people usually come back and ask me this question. But anyway, today is Monday. I'm not really trading that much. I'm just watching the charts. I'll start placing my trades on Tuesday, which is tomorrow. So today gives us a chance to just talk. So this video is about what I believe is the easiest, in my opinion, the easiest forex pair to trade. Feel free to disagree with me, or if you have another idea, your own opinion, what you think is the easiest forex trading pair to trade for any trader, whether you are starting out, whether you're experienced, or whatever level or that you are, the easiest trading pair to trade. Leave it in the comment section below. You are probably going to help somebody. In forex trading, this thing is a $5 or so trillion thing a day. You are not going to finish the money, so don't be selfish with information. That's why I do these videos. I'm not selfish with the information because there is no way I can get all the $5 trillion in a day. There is plenty of money out there for everybody. So you can see here I just have a lot of pairs. I don't exactly trade all these pairs. Sometimes I just want to test my system to see what else it can do with other systems, and sometimes people ask me about opinions on some of these pairs. That's why I just have them. Personally, I just trade maximum 3 pairs nowadays. So this is the easiest, what I believe is the easiest trading pair. Ta-da! I think many of you probably guessed it. It's Euro USD. In my opinion, Euro USD is the easiest pair to trade for anybody, whether you are a beginner, whether you are a professional, whether you are at any level. Is the easiest forex pair to trade. One of the advantages of trading the Euro USD is that on a given day, it's one of the most traded pairs on a given trading day. So what you get is the advantage of volatility and movement. You don't want to trade a pair that sits stuck in one place for a very long time. So Euro USD is one of the most traded pairs in the world, which means you also enjoy very low spreads with many brokers. With my broker, you can see here, it's just 1 pip, 0.8, it's sometimes 0.7, is or so 0.6 there. So the spread is very low, it's very tight because of the trades, the amount of trades that this pair sees on every given day. So that's part of why it's easiest to trade. Now, what's more, why I believe, in my opinion, it is the easiest pair to trade is because it's so correlated with USDXY, the dollar index. Maybe your broker calls it USDXY, my broker calls it USDX. Some brokers will call it US dollar index, but it's same thing. It just measures the strength of the dollar. That's what it does. So see what's happening here. I want to picture this graph. You can do this on your own charts. I mean, you don't want to believe everything that I'm saying. Go into your own charts, plug the USDX or the USDX, DXY or dollar index onto your chart, and then also plug Euro USD onto your chart. You will see a clear negative correlation between the pair. Can you see this? What's happening on the dollar index easily is the opposite that's happening on Euro USD. Gold, it does that sometimes, but sometimes gold sometimes gives you funny signals when you look at it with the dollar index. I trade gold and silver. I love them for the pip value, pip value. But if you want the easiest thing to trade, it's Euro USD hands down. See, so what you do in the mornings, if you have nothing to do, you have got nothing to do, you don't know what to do, you don't know which pair to look at, you don't know, you don't have time to analyze, you don't have time to do things, you don't have time for whatever. What you can do is simply go to your charts, plug in USDXY, plug in Euro USD. Whatever, this is 4-hourly chart, 4-hourly chart, whatever the dollar index is doing, as you can see there, guaranteed Euro USD is doing the opposite. You get what I'm saying? So if you go to your DXY, and I love to trade higher time frames. If you go to the daily, let's say we saw USDXY at this level. Certainly Euro USD should be at the top here. If you're going to be buying USDXY, nobody trades or the dollar index, but you can, but nobody really trades it. If you're going to be buying USDXY, then you certainly have to be selling Euro USD. Let's go to the daily. See? So in your analysis, if you saw that USDXY was falling, was dropping, what do? You simply close your eyes and click buy on Euro USD. Buy Euro USD. If you saw that the dollar index was pushing up on Euro USD, what do? You go sell. See? Sell. Now buy on Euro USD. Buy Euro USD. You get what I mean? What I'm saying? Very easy thing to do. And this also does happen with some certain pairs. That's why I love to trade dollar pairs, because you can easily open the dollar index, get an idea of where it's going to be going, then half the work is done. You just need to find some levels where you can get into the market. If you are looking at Euro USD, GBP USD, USD CHF, USD JPY, AUD USD, NZD USD, and pairs like that. So in my opinion, Euro USD is the easiest. Very easy. I just showed you here. I did not do any fancy analysis here. I just told you whatever the dollar index is doing, just go to Euro USD and do the opposite. Of course, you still need to go in there now and choose your levels wisely, because there are some levels. What I try to do with my trading is catch trades at key levels. That's what I try to do. But this is a good level to catch a trade. This is a level to catch a good trade is if you are going to be scalping or day trading and stuff like that. Now you go in there because you know the dollar index is going to be going up, which means Euro USD we are going to be looking for sales. So what you're going to do is you're going to come here, and each time it's at the top you sell, each time it's at the top you sell, each time it pushes back up you sell at the top, you sell at the top, and stuff like that. Right now it's pushing up. We kind of wait to see where it's going to lose momentum, whether it's here, wherever it's going to lose momentum, then we sell from there, as long as we still believe that the dollar index is still going to continue pushing up. As simple as that. You do not need to do any smart money concepts, any Wyckoff, any whatever fancy concepts that are out there here. Like the video if you found some value or something to think about in this video. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Everything else, I'll see the links in the description box below. Otherwise guys, I hope this video has been an eye-opener for you. Leave your comments. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.